The Peace region it's kind of a hidden gem because there's so many adventures and history, and it's so untouched. It's very vast and there's lots of wildlife, and it's a beautiful place. It's a wonderful experience to wake up every day knowing that I get to collaborate with community. I get to help put a smile on people's faces. We get to be creative and create cool things.
Our passion is local, our passion is creating something new and exciting, and we're just trying to create a space that gives people that. There are so many things happening in BC to support the craft brewing industry. It's so exciting to see where we already have come, and I just can't wait to see what the future brings.
Craft beer simply just brings people together. It starts with a love of beer, and that appreciation just kind of goes out into the community and brings everyone back, and everyone's always so proud to support their northern breweries.
It's about the beer, but it's also about people trying new things or old things in new ways. This is a super great place to come and see what Quesnel has to offer, and we want everybody to feel like this is kind of their home. I think we're in a perfect place for craft beer. You know, it's a beautiful town. There's lots of breweries in our region now. It's a great time to make beer in BC.
Williams Lake is a great place to live. I've been here for about 20 years, so it's great to be able to give back and see people enjoy it. You can't really beat the beer coming right out of the tap from a brewery. People really get behind supporting local. They like that this is coming out of their backyard. I really like that.
There is an art and science to brewing beer, that's for sure. And the brewers are willing to take some risks and try new flavors. People love to come to Valemount to play, and they like to come to the tap room for a beer after their day. I don't know what it is about craft beer, but you can sit down with anyone and have a beer and start a conversation.